welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how to change the color of your hair from gray to black. If this video finds you well, please keep on watching to the end. Do not forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. The first ingredient you need is chippy powder. A lot of people use chippy powder for maintaining and growing their hair, but little do they know that it can also be used for changing the color of your hair. Next is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower has been known for ages to improve the health of your hair and for thickening your hair, but the color of hibiscus flower will definitely change your hair from gray to black. Then we have cinnamon sticks, neem powder. Neem powder is very potent for changing the color of your hair. Next is clove. A lot of people are not aware that clove can actually change the color of their hair. They only concentrate on the part whereby clove enables hair growth, but clove can really change the color of your hair from gray to black. Next we have rosemary leaf and lavender flower. The essence of using rosemary leaf and lavender flower here is to clarify and improve the health of your scalp. Also, this will enable your hair to remain stronger in the sense that it will not break, okay, because we need to use this treatment consistently in order to see results. So I'm going to be adding in 3 to 4 cups of hot water. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of people make is that they boil this mixture. I'll advise that you should soak yours into hot water. By doing so, you're still retaining the nutrients, but if you end up boiling yours, you'll be killing the nutrients slowly. So please, it's much better to soak yours into hot water and cover it for 2 hours, or you can even cover it till the next day. It will be more potent if you leave it till the next day. So after 2 hours, this is what it looks like. The water is still a little bit warm. There are various ways you can use this mixture to change the color of your hair, and when I say you have to be consistent, please, you have to be consistent for this to work. This is not a magic potion. This is a natural remedy that requires you to use it religiously. So next we're going to be adding in vitamin E oil and also fragrance. Those ones are optional, but I will advise that you should add at least the vitamin E oil. If you have essential oils such as tea tree essential oil, lavender essential oil, or rosemary essential oil, then you can go on and add those ones. But if you don't have them, no need to panic, because we actually use them when formulating the treatment. Next is fragrance. The fragrance is actually optional, but I will advise that if you have fragrance for formulating hair care products or skincare products, then you can use them to lighten up the smell of your treatment, because we're going to be using this consistently, and by consistently I mean twice in a week. You don't want to go everywhere smelling like food spice or smelling like something a little bit awful. So you have to use a little bit of fragrance. So I'm so grateful that my edge serum is actually working. You guys, my edges has really grown in just 2 weeks, okay, by me being consistent. So this is how I'm going to be using this treatment. The first thing is to spray the treatment, the tea spray, all over my hair and on my scalp, making sure to massage very well. Massaging is very important, and that is the part whereby the treatment will help to heal your scalp if you have scalp issues. If you want to promote hair growth, this treatment will really go a long way to do that for you. Also, by massaging it, you're going to slow the phase whereby gray hair keeps on growing, and change the color of your hair too by spraying it all over your hair. Next thing is to use the moisturizing and softening leave-in conditioner. A lot of people skip the process of using moisturizing leave-in conditioner or a hair cream. If you keep on skipping that process, this treatment won't work. It needs to be balanced with a leave-in conditioner so that it will actually seal in moisture and it won't leave your hair dry, okay? Remember that we're using natural remedies here. So if you keep on applying this treatment all over your hair and you are not sealing it with a hair cream or a leave-in conditioner, it will actually lead to something opposite, which is to break your hair or to leave your hair weak. So in order to avoid that from happening, make use of conditioners, make use of hair creams after spraying this treatment. Next is to seal it in with hair growth oil so that the moisture will last long before you get to use the treatment again. Please bear in mind that you are not going to wash this treatment. Do not wash it out. This is not the kind of treatment that you actually wash out, although there are various ways to use it. You can use it when deep conditioning your hair. You can use it as a leave-in treatment. I will definitely create a part 2 video showing you all how to use it when deep conditioning your hair in the shower. So please stay tuned, stay subscribed to the channel and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss when I drop the video. So for now, this is one of the ways you can actually use it to change the color of your hair, improve the health of your scalp, and also improve the overall health of your hair. We have come to the end of today's video. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe. We are also on Instagram and TikTok, The Brenda Okolocha. We share tips and tricks of how you can grow your hair the healthy way without using any form of chemical. Also, I offer training on how you can actually make different types of hair products the natural way, and these hair products are things that you can also sell. So if you want to register, you can send me a DM via WhatsApp 090-5184-6475. You can also send a DM via Instagram and TikTok, The Brenda Okolocha. Well, I really hope you all have learned something from today's video. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. See you all in my next upload. Bye.